welcome back to our channel.
I'm Rachel and this is
Michelle, and today we're doing an unboxing video. We're going to unbox the piano we got from Argos, Ireland. I'm so excited.
It looks so big.
Yeah.
Here we have it.
Oh my god. Oh, pick them up, Rachel, those little pieces. No, there's a whole box of pieces. Bring the box.
Oh, there's even a charger here. There's even a charger.
Oh my, oh, does it have like a... Oh my god, these are like headphones, see?
Oh, they're the headphones? They're so small.
Okay, got it.
I think that's the legs to the piano.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, you can put the box away. We don't need it.
I think we have to build it.
We might have to screw these leggies on. Okay, this is
The real piano thing.
the stand to the piano. I think so, because it says here.
Oh, that makes sense now.
Oh, yeah, that's a cushion piano stand. Whoa! Oh no, this is a stool. Oh, it's a stool, see, with the cushion.
Oh,
Yeah.
something got. I'll just keep it there.
And this, throw the box away actually.
We don't need this.
A stool. The sound. This looks like the actual piano. Oh gosh, this is really heavy. Yeah, thank you. Turn it over this way, so I feel like it's easier to open.
Okay, I'm going to move
You
here.
have to put it on the ground.
Yeah, since it makes some room. Oh yeah, it is.
Wait, take out all this foam first,
Yeah,
so we can then surprise everyone.
that this is a real piano. No, they're stuck into keep
Yeah,
it.
so let's-
Keep it secure.
Pick it up.
Ah, I'm gonna pick it up.
This way.
So hard.
Hold the box down.
Oh,
Whoa!
Angie, it's the real piano.
Oh my gosh! So this is the piano stand, and we pull this thing here and we
Twist it.
so we can just see, yeah, like that.
Is that good enough?
Yeah, just for working. And then we can take the bottom legs. Can I have one of those? Big ones. One of them. Thank you. Place them right here. And let's assemble this. Okay.
So here's the screw and the L key.
Okay. We need to make it tight so the legs don't fall out.
And the piano won't fall over.
Okay, topple over. Okay, my first leg adjusted. There it is. Okay, all tightened up.
Just holding the other side
Good.
to be sure that it won't fall.
Okay, absolutely tight. So here I'm doing the top bars with these little strappies. Okay, super duper tight. There you go, all done. Okay, that's screwed very tightly on. So here is how it looks, the piano stand. Okay.
Here the stool is.
Okay, so I'm just going to... Okay, here. This just need to unfold it here.
And then
Yeah.
let it down.
There you go. This way.
That's not how it's meant to be. Oh yeah, it is. And then you just click it in there.
Click it in. Okay, there's a
Is
stool.
the other one clipped in?
Yeah, it's all clicked in. There we go. Okay, now once this is done, I do not need to worry about my piano falling over.
That's how you do it. This is just to like secure the chair.
Yeah, just make sure it's stable.
Stable.
Can I try to sit on it?
Like this. It's working now. I'm gonna see which one it fits in. So we'll put it in this. So I think it's in now. So here you go, your headphones.
Thank you.
And it's playing. Will I put on the
Yeah, sure.
Just stick them in there, and then just stand wherever you like on.
Okay. Which one will we play? I think we play this.
Yeah.
Until you
I just want to see.
start learning. Intro.
Own piano or keyboard. It will guide you step by step to play notes, chords, and cool songs with both hands.
This is just the intro telling you what to
You
do.
know how to